you are a new YouTuber or a growing YouTuber or even a big YouTuber and you haven't turned off these features, you are making a very big mistake and you are losing a whole lot of views. Because there are some settings you will leave on your YouTube channel. You won't know that they are hurting your views and even your channel. And maybe your video has been stuck in a particular low view duration, maybe 50, 100, 20 or even 200 and all the rest. So in this video I'm going to be telling you these settings that you need to turn off on your YouTube channel right now for you to start getting views. So stay with me to the end. Do not skip any part. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Precious, and here in my channel I bring to you tools, strategies, ideas, ways in which you can grow your YouTube channel fast and get monetized. So let's grow together. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using at all and search for YouTube Studio Dashboard. The website will pop out like this. Then you click on this first one and it will take you straight to your YouTube dashboard like this. Then you go down here and click on Settings here. When you come to YouTube Settings, the first thing you need to turn off is here at Upload Defaults. Click on it. Then go down to Visibility part. If your visibility here is public, you need to turn it off to either unlisted or private. Reason is because, like I said in this my video up there, link is in the description. You can watch it to know more and understand better. It won't give YouTube algorithm enough time to know what your video is all about as to know the right audience to send the video to. Secondly, if you make any mistake and you want to correct it after uploading the video, instead of deleting it and re-uploading it, you will be able to correct it immediately before setting it to public. Mistakes like maybe the title or the thumbnail you use is not really okay, or maybe you see another well-optimized title or thumbnail which you want to use and you want to remove the previous one, it will be easy for you to do. And lastly, it's about copyright. If you upload a video and it has copyright issues or any issues that can lead your channel to strike, YouTube will not strike you if your video is on private. Rather, they will send you a notification telling you that your video has one issue or the other, either with title, thumbnail or copyright claim, and you can correct it immediately before setting it to public. Another option is here at the advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, then you go to your category. This feature here, it's very important. If your video category is on the wrong type or wrong track, go now and set it correctly. Because some YouTubers, especially the new creators, don't even know on which category to put their video on. And when you put your video category on the wrong side, YouTube algorithm will not recommend your video to the right audience because they don't know the right audience to send the video to. And that is because you select the wrong category and they don't know where your category fell on. When you look here, you will see varieties of categories to select from. Okay, if you make an entertainment video, you can select entertainment as your category. Okay, if you make videos about autos and vehicles, maybe you are advertising or you are showing varieties of vehicles, either with AI or realistic ones, you should select autos and vehicles. If you are doing comedies, you can select comedy. If you are doing education, okay, if you are teaching students or doing any tutorial at all, okay, that is educational, you can select education. If you are doing film and animation, you can select film and animation. If it is gaming, okay, you should select gaming. Okay, if it is music, you should select music. If it is news, you should go on and select news. Just try as much as you can. If you cannot do it by yourself, you can use ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT your niche, tell him more about your niche, and ask him to tell you in which category does this your niche fall on. ChatGPT can help you and do that for you, okay, so that you won't make any mistake that will harm your views. And by doing this, you are helping YouTube algorithm to know the category your video fall in and where to send it to, and also to recommend your video to the right audience, those who are interested in your video. They will watch it and you will get your views and watch hours. Another settings which you need to turn off is at the home tab. Click on your profile, then you go to customize channel here. You go to home tab here. Then here at for you settings, you click on more settings. These things will pop out here like this. So then you will see this recency, all content recommendation, and recent content only. If yours is at recent content only, you better switch it off and turn it to all content recommendation. Yes, because if you put yours at recent content only, that means YouTube algorithm will be showing your recent content only. It will be showing your viewers your new videos only, and it won't show your old videos. But when you put them on all content recommended, that means YouTube will now send each and every of your videos to your viewers. They will be watching them and you'll be getting more views in each of your content. None of your content will go to waste just like that. Each and every one of them will be getting the views and will be getting you the money if your channel has already been monetized. So do not put your content on recent videos only. Put it on all content recommendations so that YouTube algorithm will recommend all your content. Even if you, maybe let's say you make a content about how to make money online, or how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days, and you make the content maybe let's say 2 years time. If someone come and search for that particular content, yours will also come out because you add it at, you put your own at all content recommendation. But if you put it at recent content only, that content that you make that is 2 years old will not pop out because YouTube is not going to be showing that content again, and it will just die just like that. Another feature you need to turn off is still here at advanced setting. When you scroll down, you will see this, how many viewers like this video. If yours is still on, go now and turn it off. And that is because most viewers don't watch video that has less likes. They tend to scroll past it, and that is because they might think that the video is not interesting or something like that. But when you turn it off, nobody is seeing your likes. Nobody knows how many likes you have. People will, if you know that you don't have more likes on your videos, just go now and turn it off and you see the magic that happens next. People liking your video is actually important because it tells the YouTube algorithm that your video is good, and they will keep recommending your videos to more people and you will get more views. Another feature you need to turn off is this. When you go to channel here, you go to advanced settings and scroll down, you will see these features. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? This is also very, very important. Always select no. Set this channel as not made for kids. Some people here actually set their channel as yes when their content is not even made for kids. This part is very important and you have to get it right. If you set your channel as made for kids, you are not going to be getting any views and some other stuffs like live streaming. And if you keep on posting your content under made for kids while it is not made for kids, YouTube might flag your channel as spam or even delete it because it is deceiving. So tell the YouTube algorithm that no, your channel is not made for kids, and that is by clicking this no, set my channel as not made for kids. But if you don't set this, you will be getting no views in all your videos, and you might think that the problem is from your videos. Why it's not, but from your settings which are wrong. So go now and turn them off. Another wonderful features you have to turn on is still here at the advanced settings. Just scroll down. You will see this allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel. If yours is still off, just go now and turn it on. Okay, when you turn this feature on, it means that you have given YouTube the right to allow AI companies to train their models using your videos, and it is going to help the AI to promote your videos. For instance, let's say you are using ChatGPT or Gemini, and then when you search how to get more views or subscribers on YouTube, ChatGPT or Gemini will give you the ideas on how to get more views or subscribers on YouTube, and after that they will also pin some videos from YouTube that teach about how to get more views or how to get more subscribers on YouTube. And if you turn these features on YouTube, your videos might also come out as one of them if you make a video about any of these. Okay, so these are the settings you need to turn off right now on your YouTube channel for you to start getting more views, more subscribers, and more recommendation from YouTube. If you find this video helpful at all, do not forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel very fast. If you want to know the 5 most important things you should not do after uploading your video here on YouTube, watch this video here. Bye. See you on my next video.